Hi, I'm Nathan,
I'm Amanda.
and thanks for joining us for Intermediate Lindy Hop this month. This month we did quite a lot. We started out with some voice style swing outs with swivels for the followers and the big kick for the leaders. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, stop, kick, another time. Kick, stop, turn, kick, stop. And we did, with Allison, we did some reverse jerk variations. The basic reverse jerk, just bringing our partner in and out with the 8-count basic footwork. We did it with more of a curvy motion so the followers could really unwind at the end. We also use that to do a turn for the followers, all using the 8-count basic footwork. Oh, I forgot one more thing that we did with that. That's bringing our partner in and doing a little Shorty, George, and some footwork out of it. Also this month, we did the hacksaw.
Yes.
So starting from kind of a side-by-side position and doing the yo-yo to kind of move our partner away and towards us. I'm putting a little bit extra in 3 into the hacksaw kicks. Kick, and switch. Kick, and switch. Kick, and kick, rock, step, triple step, back to our basics. So tuck turn.
Which is the similar ending that we're going to use for another move.
Airplane Charleston. So Airplane Charleston, maybe we start with some swing outs. Side rock step into the airplane kicks. Maybe that's a little while. We can always do a triple step in the middle. We can put some drops in the middle. Back to the basic. And we can switch it up a little bit. We can do some cross airplanes. And also get out of it. And when we want to exit, we can use that same hacksaw. Exit 1 hand, 2 hands.
Big kick.
Tuck turn. And we're out of it.
And the last one, sailor kicks, one of my favorites. It starts from 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right, down. Right.
Same place. Front. Back to our swing outs. And that was our month of Lindy Hop.
Yeah.
We hope to see you again soon.
Thanks for taking classes with us. Come on back next month.